around 7.7 billion people in the world have one thing in common. The thing that makes us think, feel, hope, heal. Makes us human. Weighing just 1.5 kgs, having the ability to process 400 billion bits of information in 1 second. The hotspot hub of all things rational and emotional, factual and fictional. This is our motherboard, our brain. Presenting Fit and Fast, Fuel Your Brain.
I'm Rishim, and this is Fit and Fast, the only show that fuels your brain.
And here is your brain teaser for the day.
Look at the picture and answer the question.
Your time starts now. How many colors do you see in the picture? That's it. Time's up. The green stripes look blue due to an illusion. If you saw 3 colors, then you're a genius.
So how's the Josh, guys? I'm so full-on supercharged today, huh? But trust me, even I have really bad days. The dog peed on the carpet, the client's always extra demanding. But that is the whole point, guys. Moods. What do you think of moods?
So I think it's a combination of a lot of things, and if things are going well for you, then you feel happy. If things are not going so well, you feel bad.
When my outfit gets ruined because of the weather and I've not thought of that, and happy is when I get to eat something sweet without feeling guilty about it.
Having a bad day in college, or maybe even the weather makes me angry sometimes.
Yes, definitely. I have a lot of mood swings.
There's 1 week in a month I have mood swings, yes.
Has to be dark chocolate. I mean, that can, lift my mood very, very easily.
Definitely. A good food does make me happy.
Dark chocolate. Or cakes. Basically, cakes. All right.
I'm though still very curious. I'm sure you also want to know what's the connection between brain and mood. Let me call Dr. Sankalp and find out. Hey doc, how's it going?
और आज क्या खिला रहे हो?
अरे डॉग खिलाऊंगा तो बहुत कुछ, but उससे पहले I'm just gonna bother you with a very quick question, huh? I was actually trying to understand the relation between mood and brain. Can you please help me with that today?
Yes, of course, mood is connected to your brain. For example, you see a good food or you see your loved pet. So this information goes to a specific area of the brain and is called the limbic system. The limbic system consists of areas which are called amygdala, hippocampus, etc. When these areas are activated, certain chemicals like serotonin and dopamine are released, because of which your mood changes.
Thank you. I'll see you super soon. I'm making one of my really favorite recipes. What we're using today is the superfood avocado. So guys, what are we gonna make today? It's really simple. It's called smashed avocado goges sandwiches. Simple as that. We're gonna start with our choux pastry, also called as goges. So a pan. Here goes in the flour. We have some nice milk. Then I'll go in with some water. So you want to keep it at medium to low heat so that the flour just starts to get together and starts to cook a little bit. Add the butter in it. And it's just gonna let the butter melt very, very slowly. So keep scraping it from the sides, going to the bottom, and just keep turning and tossing it. So now, gas off. We're gonna transfer this in a bowl and start to incorporate eggs really, really slowly. Drop my dough in this. We're just gonna start to get the dough together very, very slowly. It's already really thick, so you just wanna do it really slowly. You wanna pour in 5 egg yolks in this. Add some really nice cayenne pepper. So it gives you a really good kick that goes very well with the avocados. Mix it nicely. Now goes in some grated cheddar, a little salt, a nice little mix, a nice simple piping bag. You're just gonna tie this, and this will go in the fridge, minimum of 10 to 15 minutes. So here I have some chopped onions. So I've got some green, yellow, red peppers into it. Now next I'm gonna add some tomatoes to it. And now we'll work with our avocados. So when you wanna pick up the avocados, right, you wanna make sure that they're a little firm, not too mushy. Avocado is really, really good for your moods. It really helps. It's got the perfect fatty acids in it. So I'm just gonna slice it in half and smash it in the bowl. And then try to open it. If you see, it's got a really nice green boundary. It's super fresh. It's really firm. Scoop the fruit out. See, in one swift movement, it can all come out. The skin will stay behind. There goes the coriander. Now, a little squeeze of lemon. A little sea salt. Yeah, just gonna carry on smashing this very, very nicely. I'm gonna add some nice olive oil into it. Yeah, just give it a good mix. I'm gonna put this back in the fridge because I want them to be chilled. Guys, now the shoe looks amazingly beautiful. It's nice and firm. I'm gonna pipe it, I'm gonna shape it, and I'm gonna bake it now for about 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna do a little dab with water so that it doesn't have any peaks. And this is gonna go back in the oven at 130 for about 25 minutes. We're gonna make a probably never seen before zucchini and basil puree. Oh, my shoes are also going to be ready. Let me just go check that super quickly. Just look at those. They look so damn pretty. You can have it like this also if you want. Just maybe get a little nice hummus to go with it. And that's it, you're sorted. I'm going to very, very carefully slice them in half. So now I have these banging avocados. Just plate up quickly with the puree, with the choux pastry and avocados. It works. Super snack. Stuff these ones with avocado. Lid goes on top. A little whack of olive oil. So guys, here we have smashed avocados goujez sandwiches with zucchini and basil puree. So guys, I'm gonna dig into this. Make sure you have your notepads out. Take the recap super quick, huh? Come back.
For goujez, take a saucepan, add all-purpose flour, milk and some water. Put the pan on flame and keep stirring the thick paste. Add butter into the paste. Stir till it turns into a dough. Transfer the dough into a big bowl and add egg yolks, cayenne pepper and mix it well using a blender. Now add cheddar cheese and some salt. Fill the batter in a piping bag and store it in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. For avocado salsa, in a bowl, add chopped onions, mixed bell peppers and tomatoes. Top it with avocados, some chopped coriander, add half lemon juice and a pinch of sea salt. Now mash them all together, put some olive oil to the mixture and place it in the fridge to chill. Meanwhile, remove the dough from the fridge. Now make small circular patties with the batter on the tray and place the tray in the preheated oven at 130 degrees for 25 minutes. For zucchini and basil puree, take one zucchini and thinly slice the skin. Slice half an onion. Now heat a pan, add olive oil, add the sliced onions and let them caramelize. Now add the sliced zucchini and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add little water and a few sprigs of basil. Now blend it to a puree. Now take out the goujez from the oven, slice them into halves and keep aside. For final plating, add the zucchini puree on a plate. Fill the goujez half with a spoonful of avocado salsa and cover it with the other halves. Finally, put some olive oil on it and your avocado goujez sandwich is ready.
So I'm gonna run to the fridge, get the stuff out for next recipe, go take a quick break and come back to LF.